You ever hear the advice to stop singing from your throat? What does that even mean? Like, seriously. Something always brings me back to you. Okay, no. It never takes too long. Something always brings me back to you. It never takes too long. Your vocal folds are in your throat. Your larynx, aka your voice box, is also in your throat. What should be said is don't push from your throat. I get it. It's a completely contradicting thing to say. Honestly, I say the same thing, and here's why. Yes, the sound starts there, but that's not where the power comes from. Your power comes from proper breath support and the rest of your body. Proper placement, your diaphragm, good breath support, and technique, that is what creates the resonance. I talked about this in a previous video, how your head, your chest, your body, your breath, that carries that resonant sound that's just so beautiful. Pushing from your throat and it's all tight and strained, that's just not good. And the main reason why you hear a lot of vocal coaches like me say, hey, don't sing from your throat, as contradicting as that sounds, we are trying to avoid you hurting your voice, all right? Prevent you from things like vocal fatigue, which I've experienced. Sore throat, which I've experienced. Laryngitis, right? Is it laryngitis? Yes. Laryngitis, which I have also experienced. And all of that comes from the pushing, the tightening, the squeezing, just to force out that sound, and it never works. Have you ever heard a singer sing and they just sound real like brass? I don't even know if that's a proper word to use, but that's what comes to mind, like just very brass, very in your face, even if they're singing a simple line. And that, to me, like throat singing just doesn't sound nice. Something always brings me back to you. It never takes too long. No matter what I say or do. Okay, no. Oh my gosh, like, seriously? I know some people who can really sing, but they make that same mistake. But there are exercises that you can do to avoid this mistake. Do deep belly breaths to help with breath support. And also my favorite exercise, which is very simple that you can practice right now, is humming. The reason why I appreciate humming so much is because you can't force that. Like humming is something you naturally do, your body's relaxed, and even if you're feeling tense and you start to hum, you can't hum tensely. If that, like, try it right now. It's impossible to do that. So humming is so good because it warms up your voice. It creates a resonant sound. It also allows you to experience what that sound feels like throughout your body. You can hum up here. Hum down here. Although the sound is coming from my chest, it does not mean that I don't feel it up here, but it's just placement. Something always brings me back to you. It never takes too long. Whenever I teach my students, this is one of the main things that I tackle, because throat singing or pushing from your throat is something that we kind of do by default. Like we see our favorite singers on stage and there's like a lot of emotion and it looks like they're singing from there, but really they're not. Sometimes they're just emotional. They're really feeling the song, and you know they're looking intense and look like they're pushing, but really it's just emotions, it's just performance and all the things. So if you got anything from this video, yes, the sound comes from your throat, but the power comes from your body and proper breath support. That's what makes the sound resonant. Okay, make sense? Do me a favor. Leave in the comments below, what is your single biggest struggle as a singer? I know you might have multiple issues with your voice. You might not be able to hit high notes, or low notes, or whatever the case is. let me know. This really helps me. I don't want to make videos or create content that doesn't apply to you. I say the same thing to my students. I like to customize my voice lessons according to what my student actually need versus just, throwing out general things at them. So same applies here. Let me know, what are your biggest struggles? I will read every single comment. Lastly, I am so excited about this. I want to invite you to a virtual workshop that I'm hosting at the beginning of next month. What month are we in? November. I am hosting a virtual workshop at the beginning of next month, December. I am calling all singers, whether you are a beginner, you've been singing, or you just need help, all right? I am here for you. Check out the link in the description below. It's titled Virtual Workshop. You can go sign up there. It is $25 to sign up, but that's basically free compared to what's typically charged for a private one-on-one lesson. I'm gonna go over techniques, exercises, and lots of demonstrations. I'm even going to highlight a couple students to demonstrate and practice on. So if you're interested, sign up. In the meantime, do me a favor, like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll catch you in the next one.